Hey guys, today let's try to add a long bio on your Instagram. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add a long bio, all we need to do first is to launch the Instagram application, tap on our menus or your profile sections, and then tap on your edit profile options. Now once you're there, that's going to allow you to add a bio over here. And as you see, the maximum characters that we could add is only 149. And my advice, if you want to go ahead and add a long bio on Instagram, is to actually scratch that idea, because if you add a long bio to your Instagram, first of all, your users and your audiences won't necessarily read all this information on your bio, and it's just going to be all trash information. So most users nowadays have this short attention span and they only want to see the necessary information that they need to. So with this information being known, what we need to go ahead and do is just add a short but very information rich bio on our bio. So by doing so, of course, you need to go ahead and just enter the necessary details that you need to enter. Let's say your link tree or a website or a link containing multiple links, of course, that you would like your customers to tap on, and also what you do with your Instagram page. Now, those are necessary information that you could actually add on your Instagram bio that allows your audiences to optimize their attention span and also optimize your bio so that people could not just click on you and then scratch you through, but you'll catch their attention and also drop you a follow. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.